What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Super excited. It's Monday, fresh start of the week, fresh start to start picking stocks for the week to add to my portfolio, and I'm pretty excited about today's stock. This is a stock like Amazon and Tesla. I think is super cool to have in your portfolio. It also pays out dividends, which you guys know that I love. But I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let me just go into that before we go into what I want to talk about today. So the stock that we're adding to the portfolio today is gonna be Apple, baby. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. Ooh, $500. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and buy $1 worth of fractional shares worth of Apple. So I got a comment the other day, just real briefly. Let me show you. Bam, right here. All right, so that's the stock that I'm adding to my portfolio Monday today. So I got a comment the other day. You guys were asking me if I was buying stocks for $1. No. Well, yes and no. Basically, what I'm doing is I am buying a fraction of a share. What does it mean? When you guys hear people talk about fractional shares, that's exactly what I'm doing. With fractional shares, if your stockbroker, I'm pretty sure they will allow it, or they do have the feature. I'm pretty sure by now everyone has that feature. So basically, if you have $1, you can buy a fraction of a share for that $1. For example, if we go right over here, you guys just saw that I bought for $1, I bought a fraction of a share of Apple. So what did I actually buy? I bought 0.001994 shares worth of Apple stocks. What does it mean? I bought that fraction of those shares of a full fraction of a share from Apple. And so just to make it easier, I'm buying baby shares of the big share. I hope that makes it easy. And that's one of the things why I'm so passionate about fractional shares, because they make it easy, like I always say to the average investor, to just get started investing, to start creating your portfolio, get your feet wet in the market. And that's basically what I am doing every single day that I post a video about this. I'm just buying a fraction of a share for $1. All right, so now that we have that taken care of, let's go into today's news, because I'm pretty pumped. I got this from Robinhood themselves. I want to share with you guys exactly what Robinhood said about Tesla. So let's go into my emails real quick. Where is it? Right over here, Robinhood. So the subject line, Tesla stock split, what you need to know. So if you guys haven't seen the news, you guys know that Tesla is doing a 5-to-1 split. Basically, if you own 1 share, now you're gonna own 5 shares. All right, so let me go into details about what they're saying. Should be easy, should be straightforward. I haven't read the whole email, I just scanned through and I was like, oh, that's gonna be pretty cool for you guys, so I can share on today's video. So let me go into it. How Tesla's 2020 stock split affects you. So hi Daniel, since you're a Tesla shareholder, that sounds good, that sounds pretty, that's a nice ring to it. Since you're a Tesla shareholder, we wanted to get in touch about the upcoming Tesla stock split. So on August 31st, 2020, Tesla will perform a 5-for-1 forward split. Here's what that means for you. At the start of the day on August 31st, you will hold 5 times the number of shares of Tesla that you held prior to the split. If you currently own fractional shares, which is what I own, of Tesla, after the split, you will hold 5 times that amount fractional amount. You will hold 5 times that fractional amount. The price per share will decrease to about 1/5. So of the closing price for the previous day. This accounts for the increase in the overall numbers of shares. For example, if you currently own 1 share of Tesla worth 500, after the split, you will own 5 shares of Tesla worth 100 per share. Your overall value will remain at 500. The overall dollar amount of your investment will not change. Say you own 4 shares of Tesla. If you imagine your total Tesla investment as a pizza cut into 4 big slices, think of this stock split as just slicing that pizza into 20 smaller slices. Please know that all Tesla shareholders will be affected by this corporate action, and that this was not a Robinhood's decision. We can't speak on behalf of Tesla on their reasoning behind the split, but you can visit their investor relationships page to learn more about the investing in Tesla. For more information on forward splits and how they affect your Robinhood account, check us out, Learn Article Help Center. All right, if you have any questions, let us know. Okay, so that was the big news that I wanted to share with you guys if you haven't seen it yet, because as you know, I added Tesla. I know a lot of you guys love Tesla, so I wanted to share that little information. I think it's pretty cool that Robinhood sent that out, just so we have I like Robinhood. I like the app. I like the UI, the user interference. I like how easy it is to manage, but I also like these little messages. I like these little emails because they let me know what's going on. If I didn't know anything about this Tesla stock split or whatever they were going on, they let me know. So I appreciate that. Thank you, Robinhood. By the way, get your free stock down below for Robinhood or Public. If you haven't yet started investing into stock market, you can go ahead. I love that about Robinhood, that they sent me the little email. Also, now you guys have a clear idea of what's going on. So basically, your 1 share that you own is gonna get split into 5 shares. So the idea behind this, as far as I know, is because they want to make Tesla more affordable to the average person. 3,000 or 3,500, which is what is going to at this rate that everyone's just talking about, it seems like a big number. And if you don't know about fractional shares, but you still want to buy a whole share, I feel like 3,500 is a lot of money. But if you divide it into 5, then it might seem a little bit more attainable. I guess that's the reasoning behind it. I'm not sure. I don't work at Tesla. But yeah, that's the reasoning behind it. Now you know, if you own 1 share of Tesla, it's gonna go split into 5. Your still overall amount is gonna stay the same. Whatever you own in the company, whatever you're invested, is gonna stay the same. That's not gonna change. The only thing that's changing is your 5-to-1. So if you own 1 stock, it's gonna be 5. So I wanna say, kind of the example that I gave you about the pizza slice, you just think about it like that. So don't think that your money is going to go anywhere. Your money is still going to be invested into Tesla. Your money is still going to be invested into the company. It's not going to go anywhere. You're not losing money. Your money is just getting dispersed a little bit, and your stocks are getting split into 5. That's basically it. All right, guys, just wanted to read that email. Just wanted to share with you guys what's been on my mind for today. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes. Guys, we're close to 100,000. We're close to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. The community is great. Love that you guys are adding me on Instagram. By the way, the link below if you want to say hi over there, if you have an Instagram account. Whatever questions I can answer, either leave them in the comments, shoot me a DM on Instagram, and let's connect. Let's talk. I want to learn. I'm a new guy too. I want to learn. If you guys see something that I'm talking about that it doesn't make sense, or that you have a better way of explaining it, by all means, drop it in the comments below. Let me know, like, hey Daniel, this could have been said a little bit better. You could have said this a little bit better. So that's it. I got nothing else. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.